Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT. Italy's industrial output at 8 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks rallied as investors cheered a new trade agreement hammered out between the United States and Britain, while US President Donald Trump signaled upcoming talks with China would be more substantial than initially thought. Bitcoin topped $100,000 for the first time since early February, bolstered by a wide-ranging deal between the United States and the United Kingdom, in a sign that perhaps US President Donald Trump's trade war with the rest of the world is easing. The US dollar gained against the safe haven yen and Swiss franc, with market nerves soothed by a bilateral trade deal between the United States and the United Kingdom, while sterling reversed gains made after an interest rate cut from the Bank of England.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 4.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 2.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.